You getting there? Allison, try another new track. Like your body? Try going up the hill slow. Just crawl. You like wide open. She likes wide open. Works good. Oh. Goes up and down that like crazy. Let's see if we can get up this hill. Huh? Like these are too stiffy for them tires. Straight back and forth. There you go. There you go. Oh! Oh, she's really slippery. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh! I'll go. Oh, yeah, really?
Yeah.
I'm more interested in the truck. Oh, first flip. Oh, good save. Now come up this part. Let's see if it looks like. A little more crusty. No, right here. Yeah. You're going too fast. Let off on the throttle a little bit. She's in the zone. Yeah, yeah. Here, come over in this little hill where it's a little more chunky. Maybe you're getting a little more traction. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Ooh. You like? Oh, oh, oh. Gotta get your roof lights hooked up. Oh, oh, so close. Jeez, it rolls over nice. I like that. Depends on the wheels. Drifting. Alright, try this one again. Oh. Back in.